here's the box I just got for some carbon fiber door handle trim that I just received. So let's open it up. Alright, here's one. Here's the second one, and air freshener. And some candy. Okay. Looks like it comes pre-taped. It's got a little notch there for the lock. Pretty good. Alright, we're going to start by taking some of this red tape off. It's easiest just to use like a little utility knife and get yourself started. Pull it about halfway. Just work your way around. So one thing with this particular model is it's going to cover up this trim right here. So once you stick it, you're pretty much committed to not taking your door off for a while without having a pain. I went ahead and put some Dynoc right here just to kind of blend in. Nobody on the market has carbon fiber for that piece, so I think it'll blend pretty well.